You're driving on a busy multi-lane road. Traffic is moving normally, and then one driver suddenly cuts across two lanes. Another stays in a lane that clearly isn't going where they need to go. Someone brakes because they never expected that lane change. These situations aren't always caused by speeding. Very often, they happen because drivers make unpredictable lane decisions. You might even be doing something that feels harmless without realizing how it affects everyone around you. Here's the thing. Good lane discipline isn't about driving slowly or being overly cautious. It's about being predictable, planning ahead, and using the road the way it was designed to be used. A lot of drivers think lane discipline just means staying between the lines. It's actually much more than that. Your lane tells other drivers what you're planning to do. If you like practical driving advice that helps you become safer and more confident, subscribe for more. Keeping the correct lane starts with looking ahead. Before you reach a junction, roundabout, turn, or exit, check the signs and road markings early. Lane arrows are there to guide your position, not just to decorate the road. Choosing the correct lane in advance reduces last-second decisions and unnecessary lane changes. On UK-style roads, drivers generally keep left when they're not overtaking, while the right lane is mainly used for overtaking where that rule applies. After overtaking, you return to the left when it's safe and legal. But don't treat that as a worldwide rule. Lane use laws vary by country, state, and road type, so always follow local signs, markings, and traffic laws first. The problem starts when people wait until the final moment and then move across several lanes to reach an exit. That might seem like the quickest solution, but at highway speed, it can become dangerous very quickly. Other drivers may be in your blind spot, or they may not expect you to cross their path. Missing an exit is frustrating, but it is safer to continue and find another route than to force your way across traffic. Now here's where people get confused about changing lanes. A signal is only part of the process. Check your mirrors first, then check the blind spot by looking over your shoulder where appropriate. Make sure there's enough space, signal early enough to communicate your intention, and move smoothly without drifting. Keep checking the road as you move, because a vehicle can appear beside you in seconds. Once you're established in the new lane, cancel the signal when appropriate. Here's the part people forget. Signaling does not give you automatic priority. It tells others what you want to do, but you still have to wait for a safe gap. If the gap isn't there, stay in your lane and try again later. Overtaking should never feel like a race. Only overtake when it's legal and safe, with clear visibility, enough space, and suitable road and weather conditions. Check your mirrors and blind spots. Signal appropriately, and complete the maneuver smoothly. Once you're safely past the slower vehicle, return to the appropriate lane when legal and safe, without cutting in too closely. And this is where many drivers get lane discipline completely wrong. They overtake one vehicle, then stay in the faster lane even when the road ahead is clear. Or they weave from lane to lane, trying to gain a few seconds. What lane mistake do you see drivers making most often? Let me know in the comments. Unnecessary lane changes make traffic harder to predict. Repeatedly jumping between lanes, changing position at the last second, or crossing multiple lanes just before an exit increases the number of things that can go wrong. Staying beside another vehicle for too long is also risky, because you're sitting in a difficult position where neither driver has much room to react. If you're approaching an exit, anticipate slower traffic early and create space gradually instead of making a sudden move. On motorways and highways, look well ahead and keep track of upcoming exits. Maintain a safe following distance, check your mirrors regularly, and adjust your speed to the traffic around you. You don't need to match the fastest vehicle, and you shouldn't drive so slowly that you create a hazard. The aim is steady, controlled progress with enough time to respond. The next mistake is incredibly common, sitting in the wrong lane unnecessarily. Drivers often do it because they aren't sure where they should be, or because they believe one lane is always faster. The risk is that you block traffic or create a rushed move later. Read the signs early and choose the lane that matches your route. Another mistake is changing lanes without checking blind spots. This usually happens because the driver relies only on the mirror. The risk is missing a vehicle positioned just outside the mirror's view. Build a shoulder check into every lane change, even when you think the road is clear. Signaling too late is another problem. Drivers may suddenly remember the exit or turn, then signal at the exact moment they move. That gives others almost no time to react. Signal early enough to communicate, but remember that signaling without checking is just another mistake. The better habit is signal, observe, wait for a safe gap, and then move. Cutting across traffic for an exit happens when a driver ignores the signs until the last few seconds. The reason is usually poor planning, but the risk is forcing other drivers to brake. If you miss the exit, accept the delay and take the next safe route. Overtaking without enough space often comes from impatience. The danger is getting trapped beside another vehicle or facing oncoming traffic where visibility is limited. Wait until the maneuver can be completed comfortably. There is no prize for squeezing through a gap. Following another driver's bad lane behavior is also surprisingly common. Someone weaves through traffic, and another driver copies them because it appears faster. But you can't see all the risks that driver may be taking. Keep your own decisions calm and predictable. Good lane discipline is not about being the fastest driver on the road. It's about knowing where you need to be, getting there early and safely, checking before you move, and making your intentions clear to everyone around you. A predictable driver is easier to drive around, and that makes the road safer for everyone. Subscribe for more simple driving guides, safety tips, and practical car advice.